Question number 11. Asia comprises dash of the earth land area. A. 26.2%, B. 35.2%, C. 29.5%, D. 20.9%. And the correct answer is C. 29.5%. Question number 12. The highest point of Asia is A. Mount Everest, B. Mount Kilimanjaro, C. Mount McKinley, D. Mount Elbrus. And the correct answer is A. Mount Everest. All the other mountains are not located in Asia. Question number 13. The second largest continent by area is A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Australia, D. North America. And the correct answer is B. Africa. Question number 14. The total area of the Africa is, and the correct answer is C. 30,370,000 square kilometers. What was the area of Asia? Question number 16. The highest point of Africa is A. Mount Everest, B. Mount Kilimanjaro, C. Mount McKinley, D. Mount Ellsworth. And the correct answer is B. Mount Kilimanjaro. Question number 17. The lowest point of Africa is A. Death Valley, B. Caspian Sea, C. Lake Eyre, D. Lake Assal. And the correct answer is D. Lake Assal. Question number 18. The third largest continent on earth is A. Europe, B. Australia, C. North America, D. South America. And the correct answer is C. North America. The total area of North America is, and the correct answer is A. 24,709,000 square kilometers. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel for more videos. Question number 20. North America contains dash of the total area of earth.